Check out the difference between the ground clearance between the Can Am and Polaris. Look at that one. Compared to that one. One thing that's been bothering me is this ground clearance on the Can Am. It's just not enough. Compare that to the Polaris. Loads of space there. Tight here. 8 3/4. Well, I thought of something. Something I've always had on this thing. It's right there. 1-inch wheel spacers. I'm gonna take those off. That will push the tires in and hopefully lift the suspension. And we'll see what we got. Wow, that was like Formula One. Okay. Hopefully that's an improvement. Let's see what it does. Well, it doesn't look crazy. Let's get the tape measure and actually see. I was expecting more. 8 3/4 before. Oh, not bad. 9 1/2. So we got 3/4 of an inch. Well, 1-inch wheel spacers gives you 3/4 of an inch height. So 1 inch wheel spacers removed gave me about 3/4 inch rise in the ground clearance in the back. Went from 8 3/4 to 9 1/2. I was hoping for a little more. I never did a before and after in the front. Let's see what we got here. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this. Oh, we're about 9 3/4. That plastic's a little bent. Almost 10 inches, ½ inch higher in the front. Well, let's see what that does. Let's take it for a rip.